Hey guys, what's up? So, welcome back to my channel, Coding Beetles, and we will continue with the forms. Today I will say you how forms works and few of the elements of forms. So, for that, let's create a input with input type will be text, and let's remove the name. And as I said you earlier that this text is nothing but a text box where you can write anything you want, means anything and unlimited things you want here. So let's head back to the text editor and let's give this name label, and before that let's create a tag that is of label that will say the browser that this is the label of the tag. And if you will save this and go to the browser, it will not show anything difference. With or without the label tag, these are both the same. But if you want to link this label with this input box, then you can say here label, give the attribute of for to say the browser that this is for the input box. Let's write here name and give this same name to the ID of the text box, where we'll give the same ID as name. Let's save it, head back to the browser, refresh. No changes occurred, but when you click on the name, it will give you that, means it will highlight the box that here you have to insert the name. So let's head back to the browser and let's give it a maximum length, means the maximum number of characters you can insert in it. Let's give max length and 10. Let's save it, head back to the browser, refresh. Earlier I showed you that you can insert unlimited amount of text, but here let's see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and after that if you type anything it will not take any input because we gave a maximum length of 10. And we can also insert few other attributes like size, which will increase the size of the text box. Let's give 50, save it and head back to the browser, refresh. See, the size of the text box increased. So that's it for today guys. I will come back with more information about forms and more tags what you can use here, and till then stay blessed guys, and don't forget to like, comment your views or any query if you have, you can comment it on the comment, and you can also contact me in my social pages whose links are in my channel description. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe this channel to get more updates. So till then, take care.